everyone, welcome back to Demands and Paintings. It's been long, I didn't speak anything, right? So I decided to do some blah blah on this art for this blog. Actually speaking, it was my big dream to create something messy, still beautiful, abstract work, and this time I succeeded. So finally I came up with a neat abstract work which is on the big canvas. I love this painting. Currently I am planning on the same series using same colors combinations, and today I am going to explain what kind of techniques I have used and what is the material I have used and everything. So let's watch. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share so that we can learn together and grow together. So as usual, you can see I have added gesso here, and along with that a little bit of yellowish touch to create some background, and I waited for one day and next day I started. So I'm going to use orange shade, black shade and little teal shade for this one. This time my main concentration was on using cleaning mop, like it's not brush or knife, so as usual we use in day-to-day life. So I was just spreading those colors here and there with that map. It was coming very neatly like knife only. So I just tried to spread those colors like orange, black and all those shades, and some shapes you have to create, that's it. So it should be like self-satisfactory than what you think of others. I don't know what others think, but I was enjoying the art. That is what ultimately matters. Trust me, this orange and black combination goes very well, and it's just a vibrant color, and it was creating just wonderful textures here and there. Then I decided to add a little pinch of teal, because very minimal, not too much, because already dominating colors are like orange and black. So little strokes here and there, a quick stroke. So I have seen those things on Instagram and I got inspired and it gave me a good texture. So then later I started blending and creating some shapes, not necessarily anything which you are referring or something. What comes to your mind you just have to put in that. And remember one thing, when you are not blending, just adding some other colors, you just have to clean your brush or mop, whatever you are using, otherwise black will take over other colors, so it is little dominating. So clean your brush and try. So I've cleaned that brush and I started adding little touch of yellow which is in the background only. So same yellow touch I gave, and sakura like fan kind of creation I started putting, and rest in the edges I blended, not only in the center I kept that, and wherever the background was visible I just started blending them with a little bit of wet mop. Abstracts are control over the color and satisfaction level. So when you start creating it you will understand how it works and all. So just try to practice those things and one day you will definitely get success. It's not even that easy because I tried so many things and nowadays I'm getting satisfaction. So I just added a few more these things, color combinations and all. When most of the time it became messy, so you will not get that satisfaction comes then you are successful in abstract. It might not be suiting to someone else, but what matters ultimately is a little neat and self-satisfactory art. That's it. So I just added few more florals with the white gesso or white color, whatever you use. And I tried to make little differentiation with those fan kind of thing. It's like a Japanese fan or something it became. And my father and husband was telling kids look like some charaka type, and my son told 3-year old told ki this is fruit ninja kind of thing. So he plays on TV, so it was nice. So I just started putting some more differentiation or textures, 3D kind of thing with knife also, and a little blending here and there to make it even more little shady. In some abstract works, little bit like minimalism makes it more beautiful, and in some more mess in the sense neat mess will create more attraction. So it's all about control, how much control over the colors and textures and other things you have. So concentrate on those. So once feel you are comfortable, or you feel you are missing something, then anytime you can add some textures. Adding on to that, I love creating some scratches on the board. So I took knife and I created some scratches, random scratches, and a square kind of thing that gives even more extra doodle kind of touch to your artwork. Many artists use this scratch method to sign as well. So using knife for scratching is very nice. I have used the same method for my cityscapes last time, so do watch that video. You will get to know how glasses, all the windows and all, how it came out very well using those scratch methods. As I said, I was not happy with that part, so I just added even more orange color. So just little orange at the shade of red. So I blended a little bit, and I took knife and I made steps kind of thing there. So that's all. So the next day, of course, the satisfying gloss coating. So this is very nice, it feels so good to coat. So you can differentiate that where it is coated and where it is not coated on the canvas, it feels little different. So add this coat and it is all ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you create these things and share it with me. Thank you.